Food photography tips for beginners. First, shooting from a lower angle. It will make your shots unique and different. Besides, the density as well as the height of the food will be clearer if you take the picture from lower angles. The most important thing is never taking a picture from above. It will really ruin the quality and the beauty of your shot. Second, cropping the photo tightly. The food will look more tactile with a tight crop photo. Besides, cropping also helps you to simplify the shot. Even very small details of the foodstuff could be visible by cropping the photo. You can easily show the size of the chunks, the coldness of the food items, the quality of the sauce, and more. The closer shot and the bigger size of the item, the more appealing your photograph will be. Third, get the right background. Don't forget about the background. Commonly, the clean white surface is chosen to be the background of any food item, for this color is suitable for various colors on the captured food. Meanwhile, color papers as well as upside-down color glasses will be a great option for any roasted food or appetizers. You have to fully realize which one you need, and you do not need to focus. These are some of the most useful tips on food photography that might help you a lot to produce great quality of food pictures. Now, you're ready to take pictures of the sweet cupcakes or the delicious burger perfectly. We have an amazing camera that you might want to try, and it's also a pen. Visit our web store at amazon.com for more details. Just click the link below.